You need to park between two cars that are situated parallel to the edge of the road. This is called parallel parking. In order to drive into such a spot easily, its length must be at least 1.5 times your car's body length. Let's consider parallel parking situated on the right side of the road. The first step. Most cars have a small window on the back door, and it usually has a triangular shape. So, the car is in its starting position. The driver looks over his shoulder through the triangular window of the back door and drives backwards in a straight line. When the back end of the car on its right appears in that window, he turns the wheel to the right. Our car starts to back into the space. The second step. The driver looks into the left side mirror. When the right-hand corner of the car parked behind you appears in it, the driver puts the steering wheel into the straight forward position. The car moves in a straight line. The third step. The driver looks at the right side mirror. When it covers the tail light of the car in front, the driver turns the steering wheel to the left. Now our car is inside the parking space, and we only need to put it parallel to the curb. For this purpose, it is convenient to use the side mirror. Once you are parallel to the curb, immediately put the steering wheel into a straight forward position. If necessary, you can now move forward or backward, putting your car in the middle of the parking space